Hi friends, Namaskar. Welcome to our channel Fitness and Actors Adda. This is our first video, a little effort from our side. The video would be mainly focused on how one can lead their life or lifestyle by simply implementing three yogic asanas, which are Tarasan, which is also known as palm tree pose. Second one is Tiryak Tarasan, which is also known as swaying palm tree pose. And the last one is Kati Chakrasan, which is known as upper body twist. Now Sucharita will be performing those asanas for your better understanding.
Hello friends, I'm Sucharita. As Amit has already mentioned that I will be demonstrating the asanas, the three asanas, Tadasan, Tiryak Tadasan and Kati Chakrasan. So let's see how to do the practice. So the first asana is being Tadasan. For that you need to take a little distance in your feet. It should not be too much. It's only that you can comfortably feel that you have equally divided the weight of your body on both the halves of your body equally. Now after that you need to interlock your fingers, your palms, place it above your head. Now slowly we need to raise our hands up and come on our toes. Slowly down and place our hand above your head. So this is one complete round of Tadasan. For Tadasan, those who think that they cannot balance, for balancing purpose, when they keep their hand above the head, you can fix a point above your eyebrow, continue the gazing, slowly raise your arms. This is especially for the beginners, and then gently come on your toes and maintain your balance. And slowly down and then gently release the posture. Now I will demonstrate you the second asana, that is Tiryak Tadasan. For that you have to take your feet apart more than your shoulder width, minimum 2 to 3 feet apart. Now next you have to again interlock your palms, place it above your head and slowly stretch your hands up. When you stretch up, make sure that your upper portion, that is your upper part of your arm, should be touching to your ears. And we will starting the practice from a right side. So slowly we will bend to our right side and we look forward. We will not look down or sideways, we look forward. Now slowly we come to the center and move to our left side. Now slowly up, hands over your head. So this is one round of Tiryak Tadasan, but make sure that when you are bending, you should not bend forward or backward. It should be sideways in Tiryak Tadasan. So hands down. So this is the second practice. The third practice is Kati Chakrasan. The stance of your legs remain same. Your hands come up to your shoulder level, sideways. This is a twisting movement. So we place our right hand on your left shoulder and left hand around our waist and slowly twist to our left side. Only your upper body moves, your leg should be fixed. It should not move. Then we slowly come to the center. Now I'll give you a back view so that you can understand. So I'll change my direction. Now we will perform it with the other side. So hands parallel to the ground. Your left hand to your right shoulder, right hand around your this is one complete round of Tiryak Tadasana. Now, I would like to mention that these practices are very important to implement in our daily life, because it is best when we practice immediately waking up from our morning time, even before going to the washroom or loo, having water and then doing these three practices. Now, when we do the practices on the morning, we should always start from our left side, all the practices, rather than our right side. Now, why it is important to incorporate? Because it cleanses our internal systems. The Tadasana stretches our abdomen. Tiryak Tadasana gives to stretch on our colon region, and the Kati Chakrasana helps to stretch our small intestines. So, when we perform, we need to have a lukewarm water or normal water, whatever is comfortable, and start the practices and then go for the washroom. Why it is important? Because then it will clear our intestine, our digestive system, which in result will eradicate the problems of digestive system like constipation, acidity, and many more diseases. So you should incorporate it daily in your life. More instruction, that is Tiryak Tadasana and Kati Chakrasana, should not be practiced if you have hernia or if you have low blood pressure. Tadasana can be performed by all, but those who have recent ankle injury or your abdominal surgery or your spine injury, they should be avoiding all these three practices. I hope I could make clear to you the practices. The first practice was Tadasana, second one Tiryak Tadasana, third one Kati Chakrasana. Okay, so please remember who should not practice, that is very important, and just